Welcome back to the campus for this New Year's Eve edition. Besides Bitcoin, which we look at every day, today we'll take a more detailed look at XRP. We start here on the daily chart. And what I'm tracking here is an impulsive structure for XRP. Since June 2022, we moved up in a leading diagonal in wave 1, then a corrective wave 2, followed by a strong wave 3, exactly what you would expect. And now, for almost a year, we have been in an extended correction, possibly an ABC correction, forming wave 4. What would come next is wave 5. If you've seen my other crypto videos, you know that I expect Q1 2026 to be quite bullish across much of the market, Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies I've analyzed. A wave 5 here would fit perfectly into that bigger picture. Now let's look at when wave 5 could start and where it might take us. For that, we switch to the 4-hour chart. And what we can see here is that wave 3 peaked in January 2025, and since then we have basically been moving sideways for a full year inside an ABC correction of wave 4. Now, important point, this wave 4 remains valid as long as the major support level around $1.20, that is the 50% retracement level, holds. The price should not fall below that level if wave 5 is still to remain possible. Zooming into wave 4, we can see that the ABC correction may already be finished at the low of this wick. If you choose to count that wick, different exchanges show different prices on the day, so it's unclear whether we should include it or not. Because of that, I'm offering two scenarios. Scenario 1, yes, that wick was the low of wave C. In that case, we are already moving upward. We may have completed wave Roman 1 and are now in a wave 2. For this scenario, the support zone lies between $1.59 and $1.78. From this area, the market should find the bottom and start a smaller wave 3 inside the larger wave 5. The other scenario, scenario 2, says wave C is not finished yet. A typical target for wave C is a 100% extension of wave A projected from the end of wave B. The target is $1.74 and $1.74. So it's exactly between the previous mentioned 78.6 and 61.8 retracement levels. So both scenarios point to almost the same support zone, and we are very close to it right now with the price at $1.86. So I expect that in the near future we may see a breakout, at least the start of wave 3 inside wave 5. The general target area for the larger wave 5 is between $4.70 and $6.30. Depending on the internal structure, there will be additional targets for the smaller waves, which we can look at later. Overall, I am quite bullish on XRP because the larger structure is not finished yet, in my opinion, and we are very close to a major support zone. And as you know, when XRP breaks out, it usually moves very fast. No financial advice, just a personal observation about this chart. That was XRP. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. We are now on the Bitcoin 1-hour chart. Before we start, a quick note. Yesterday we looked at the bigger picture, the entire downtrend since October on my German YouTube channel. If you're interested, click the link above. Today we focus only on the 1-hour chart. I'm tracking a wave 4 correction here. I believe we already saw wave A and possibly wave B, and we might now be building wave C. I'm tracking a 1-2 setup. The micro support zone for wave 2 lies between $85,670 and $86,680 based on the 61.8 and the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. You can see that the market reacts to the 61.8 level again and again, 5 times already. The market is trying to push the price up, but every attempt gets sold off immediately because the main trend seems to be still down. In my view, the larger structure is not finished yet. So there's still strong downward pressure. Because of that, it's difficult for the market to build a clean 5-wave move inside wave C. We simply have to wait and see how this develops. If the price breaks below the micro support zone, then the next major support is the 78.6 level at $83,500. If that level also fails, then it is likely going deeper and we may see another lower low in wave Romean 5. After that, conditions would become much easier for upward movement again. Right now, things look a little bit boring. That's normal for wave 4. I can't change that, but I track it every day so you stay updated. And I'm sure things will get more exciting again soon for Bitcoin and for the whole crypto market. If you enjoyed this update, let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I wish you a great day, a smooth transition into the new year, and we'll see and hear each other again tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.